Today's look is inspired by Sparkly Winona. I'm not gonna do exactly that. I don't even think I have the talents or the skills to do exactly that. I'm gonna do it with yellow and red because that's the only cool contacts I have that I can see through. And that's important because I'm going out tonight. And yes, I will be wearing my clown makeup. I'm going to a craft market. It's called the Moonlight Market, and I might just fit in. So let's get started, shall we? Maron Skin Prep Pro. The last time I used this was on my summer to fall transition. That was my test to see if it would crack around my oily areas. My makeup did not crack, so this works really well. So if your makeup be cracking, I highly recommend it. It does dry your skin out like the Sahara Desert, so just beware. So I'm gonna shake her up, cotton pad. I want my makeup to last all day today, so I'm just gonna put this all over my face. To start any great makeup look, we're always gonna glue down our brows. Remember when I told you my friend recommended I do this with the flat side of the brush? She was right, it works really well. So thank you, Alex, I appreciate the advice. RCMA powder. These brows need to go. I'm gonna go in with the Maron liquid makeup in white. When I apply my makeup like this, I feel like a psychopath. Like, she wears the faces of the people she's killed. I don't know why this makes me want to strangle somebody every time. Maybe because when I was little, my brother would give me wet willies all the time, and I wanted to strangle him. You can be Athena palette. I'm gonna take out some of this white, put it on my hand, warm it up, grab some with a makeup sponge, applying it to my face. I don't think I care too much about my neck. Back in with that RCMA powder. Do a once over with a brush to make sure I got everything. I'm gonna go in with this yellow. I'm gonna apply it on my eye. And then I'm gonna grab some red, apply it on my other eye. Then I'm gonna take some red and apply it around my mouth. Maron Makeup Paradise Day Cute Palette. She just made some lines, so we're gonna make some lines. I don't know what the hell I'm doing. I'm gonna go in with my Blend Bunny Blends palette. I'm gonna go in with Serendipity. Serendipity is a lot darker than I thought, but we're gonna stick with it. We're gonna stick with it. Now I'm gonna shade in all of my lines. This looks really bad. Back with the red. I'm starting to see it. I'm starting to see a clown. Now I'm gonna go in with Self-Love. What a beautiful shade of red. It reminds me of rose petals. I'm gonna go in with a blending brush and kind of like soften up all of my lines. Clean blending brush, gonna do the same thing on the other side. This is turning very much into a trust the process content for me and you. Now I'm going to get a flat angled brush. I'm going to try to fluff out the skinny line. Add some yellow to the side. I'm going to go in with some black for my Athena palette and make a cat eye. Now I'm gonna go in with Nevermore, pack that on my lid. Before I continue, I'm gonna go back in with my Mehron makeup palette. I'm gonna go in with the black and do some finer details. Another clean blending brush. We're gonna go back in with Nevermore and we're gonna blend all the blacks out. I'm gonna try with a denser brush. So bad, it came out so bad. I don't know why I thought I could do this. I'm gonna use this Magic Root cover-up spray to fix this hairline that's going on this side. Should I try to fix it? Good enough. I will be using these lashes today. I'm going to use these for my bottom lashes. Splatters of paint from each side on the other side. It kind of brought that messy, grungy vibe together. I hated it all the way until the end. I'm gonna go put my accessories on and I'll be right back. All right, this is the final look. I hated it until the very last moment. Let me know what you think. Would you wear this for Halloween? And if you made it this far, thank you so much for watching. I love you. Bye bye.